Got a stubborn cough? Try this natural remedy. Crush a few fresh basil leaves and mix them with a teaspoon of honey. Take this twice a day to soothe your throat and clear congestion. Basil fights infections. Honey soothes irritation, fast and effective relief. Ditch the chemicals, go natural. Try it today. Tired, puffy eyes? Try this easy home remedy. Mix fresh cucumber juice with rose water and soak cotton pads in it. Place them over your eyes for 10 minutes to reduce puffiness and refresh tired eyes. Cucumber cools. Rose water soothes, leaving your eyes bright and refreshed. Give it a try